Migraine is one of those conditions where most of what we have are patient-reported outcomes. So we find out from patients that they have migraine based on the symptoms they report about their headache characteristics and associated symptoms. All the endpoints that we measure in clinical trials are also patient-reported. On the prevention side, monthly headache days recorded in a diary. On the acute treatment side, relief of pain or freedom from pain or other symptoms at various time points. So we have no choice in headache medicine about using PROs. The choice we have is whether we use ones that address real patient needs and that have good psychometric properties or less robust ones. The session I spoke in was based on a program funded by the FDA called the MiCOAS project. That's the Migraine Clinical Outcome Assessment System. And so with RJ Worth, we have a grant that the Food and Drug Administration funded because of their interest in to better incorporate the patient voice into clinical trials. So we've done several rounds of qualitative work to find out what matters to patients. And we're now in the process of piloting a large series of questions that will be used to develop an outcome measure. One of the things we learned in our qualitative work that I think was underappreciated is how important cognitive symptoms are to people with migraine. So many people find both during the premonitory phase and the headache phase that they feel like they're in a fog, that they can't think clearly, that they can't drive safely, in part for cognitive reasons. And our existing measures don't really do a good job of capturing the cognitive burden of migraine. It's worth pointing out that some of our treatments have cognitive side effects as well. So as we move from trials to practice and making a judgment about what treatment might be optimal for a patient, understanding the cognitive burden of migraine and understanding the cognitive burden and benefits of treatment might help us better address items that are of major concern to our patients.